What are neurolines and what are they used for in Neurographica? Neurolines are an asset of Neurographica which belongs to the founder of Neurographica, Pavel Piskaryev, and he has discovered the connection of this neuroline, which is flowing naturally, which does not repeat itself at any point, and which is connecting our neurosystem to what we are drawing. Like while we are drawing with our hand and we are using our fine motor skills, we are directly connecting to our own nature, because we as humans are also part of nature. All our, like in our body, all our blood vessels are also flowing in that organic way, for example. And the brain directly resonates with these neural lines which we draw. Brain does not recognize straight lines. They are not visible for the brain. But the organic lines which we create are resonating directly with our brains because they are bionic, just as our bodies as well. We tend to forget that it's not the nature out there. It's also us being part of nature, being nature. So the neurolines connect us to our biological nature. And how do we draw them now? If you draw a neuroline, you are letting it flow organically, and you leading it to where you don't expect to see it. So it's an act of willingly going into a direction where you wouldn't actually go. You decide to let it flow into unexpected directions. This is part of the magic of the neuroline, that it flows where we do not expect to see it, although we ourselves create it. So while doing that, you can feel some resistance doing that even. This is a good sign that you are doing it right, because our brain is used to doing it the same way all the time. You can also use your left hand if you are not used to draw with the left hand. It's a very helpful thing to practice, just letting it flow, and wherever this line wants to go, making sure that it doesn't repeat itself, so we won't have these kind of waves. So this would be a line which repeats itself. We don't do these lines, and we don't do straight lines, because straight lines are not having the effect which we want to have. And all our lines, if they intersect, they have the chance to create new impressions for our brains, new connections, like they connect to thoughts, to impressions, to states with each other, represented by the lines, that have not been connected before. So that's why it's so precious to work on connecting our lines to create new neural pathways, new roads, new rivers flowing into each other of energy. And with every neural line, we do not only connect to ourselves and to our brains and create new impressions by drawing them, but we also at the same time connect to everything that is, to universal love and wisdom, to the absolute, because we are also not separate from that. And all the lines connect us to these invisible but perceptible energies of universal love and wisdom. So this is why the NEUROLINE is such a powerful tool. Be curious and use the tool according to your needs.